So this is an interesting one. So I quickly need to actually find the backstory behind these. Is that going to give me it? There we go. So, well, you know what it is because the title says it, but to sort of give you the backstory. So Turkey Twizzlers were formed meat products that I used to love growing up as a kid. We get them from the frozen food section, and I was interested. I liked them, not knowing obviously like any of the context of what I was eating, because it was 34% turkey. A lot of it was just not turkey. Then about 15 years ago, 2005, 2006-ish, as part of Jamie Oliver's campaign into improving school dinners for children, Turkey Twizzler became sort of the poster kid for the processed food that was going into the school system. And enough pressure came from him and his campaign that schools started removing it from the menu, and so much so that Bernard Matthews removed it all. They removed it altogether. However, reports started circulating about 12 months ago, April 2020, that the Turkey Twizzler was getting a relaunch. They showed up apparently in August in the Iceland supermarket store, whatever you want to call it. And according to Wikipedia, they showed up in September in other shops. I only found them a few weeks back and was just waiting for them to get into offer or good enough price to be able to get. So, the Turkey Twizzlers are back. The key thing to note, we have seasoned sausage and Cumberland sausage flavour, but I'm just taking the stuff off the Cumberland sausage flavour. So these, I'm just double checking, yeah. So they've certainly changed the recipe, because rather than being 34% turkey, these are 76% turkey. Which, when you look at a lot of relatively main brand, certainly pork sausages, they're normally reckoned to be pretty good if they're within the sort of over 70% pork, rather than relying on other stuff. What I'm intrigued about with these, though, is because I'm pretty sure that they tasted like turkey originally, but because these are seasoned sausage and Cumberland sausage flavours, I don't know how that's going to work out. So first off, I might as well show you. So we'll start with the seasoned, the regular sort of, but it does say sausage flavour, so I'm trying to remember if this is how they tasted like back when I was a kid. Probably not, because it's like, mostly turkey now rather than whatever else was in them. They are normally pricey. I think they're sort of like £3 for a pack, which when they were frozen, they were sort of maybe £1, £1.50 from what I vaguely remember. And I must say, when I saw them, even before they're cooked, they brought back memories. The smell, I'm going to quickly have a smell of East Cumberland. No, they do smell like sausage, even though they're turkey, which I don't think is how I remember them. We'll have to find out, because if I can find the fork. We found the fork. We'll get one of these free. Okay, it's not too bad. Let's see what they're like. It's an interesting... They don't taste entirely like sausage, but the key thing is they don't taste like the original Twizzlers. I think mainly because they actually have a lot of meat in. So you are getting a lot more Twizzler for your Twizzle, I guess. That's a right wording, maybe. So we'll try these Cumberland ones now. They certainly have the smell of Cumberland sausage. So we'll see how these fare out. This one's a bit bendier. This one got coiled better. So we'll see how this... Try and eat it straight. That's more... Ooh. That's more in the ballpark of what the flavour was of the original ones. I guess because of the pepperiness of the Cumberland sausage flavour, because they are normally spiced with more pepper than a regular sausage would be. Now the interesting issue is doing what I always do with these, eating both at the same time. Overall, they don't taste the same, but given the ingredients and the contents of these are so much different, they've gone from only a third turkey meat to basically 3/4 turkey meat. They taste generally much better. I think at the price point that they are, though, it's a little bit touch and go, though, whether it's worth it. I think there are other healthier alternatives out there, rather than 8 sausage-flavoured turkey things in a tray for like £3 £100 a tray as they would be. So yeah, it's good to see them back. It's good to see that they seem to actually taste... I was going to say taste good because I ate so many as a kid in those few years before 2005. Probably sort of when I was 10 or 11, that sort of age, really. You know, just going through, I guess well, midway through my sort of school life, roughly. I don't know what grade it would be in American terms. You all know out there, people in comments. So yeah, I think for the price point that they are, no. But if you manage to get them, you know, on offer or reduced to eat the same day, I'd say, yeah, give them a go. So, that's all from me for this one. Thank you for watching. There's other snack stashes from me. There's Sip and Snacks from Owen. There's archived wrestling content, which may be coming back. Archived gaming content, which may be coming back. The Voices of Liberty performances, AJ's movie reviews and verses. Possibly some Halloween Horror Nights stuff coming, as things appear to be opening up back around the world to some extent. Certainly in America and in certain places, of other certain places. Yeah. If you enjoyed this, press the like button. If you want to see the other stuff as well, give it a subscribe. Do something with a bell, because YouTube's system is top notch. Wink. And by wink I mean yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you can join me on the next one.